Unplanned downtime is a challenge, but imagine a future where we mitigate it proactively. With our Machine Health Monitoring Center, we're managing alerts for over 2,700 machines, ensuring they're always ready for the task. Our technician-minded solution delivers insights directly to you. Machine health monitoring is more than machine location, hours, and maintenance. It's real-time performance data that puts you in control of uptime decisions. Machine downtime isn't just about a machine down. It's about loss of production, the rising cost of repairs, the expense of replacement or rental machines, and the payroll ticking for on-site employees. Machines talk, we listen. Customers who use our machine monitoring capabilities are less likely to have machine downtime, large-scale component failures, and tend to finish jobs with increased uptime.